welcome you all. Without further ado, I'd like to call a word about their support and everything they did with this particular project.
Hello Nigeria and the rest of the continent. I am extremely happy to be here this evening. I work for the Goethe-Institut in Johannesburg, but it wasn't my decision. And so we decided to find Zukiswa Wanner to be our project guru and project coordinator. I was so delighted when in the first meeting she said, I think we should do something for young adult readers. It has been asked, why do the Germans pay for Africans to go to other African countries?
Molara Wood is the one who edited the Anthology in English, and she does everything here. She's about to go to the book chapter.
There was a story that Zuki sent me that had like a semblance with another of the stories. And for me, it was a fantasy-based story. Has the same concept of a fantasy African setting as someone in, well, all the way here in Nigeria. I just thought that was amazing. You know, I'm so happy to have been able to even like a tiny chord in this big world. So again, thanks to these guys and I
went to a school visit yesterday for a workshop and I invited them over, and I'm very glad that, sir, you could bring them. Thank you very much. Welcome.
Moi, je suis Laurence Niaro, comme je l'avais dit, et je viens du Togo. Et le titre de mon histoire, c'est Naka la guerrière là-bas. Merci.
Oui, my name is Merdi Kore. I come from Kinshasa. Merci. And the title of my story is Black Cornea, White Iris. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Princess Colette. I'm from Uganda. I attended the Kigali workshop, and my story is Waterbirds on the Lakeshore.
My name is Fatma Shafi. I'm from Kenya, and the title of my story is The Journey. Jina langu ni Fatma Shafi kutoka Kenya, na kichwa cha hadithi yangu ni Kafarini. Thank you.
Our penultimate reader is Merdi, all the way from DR.
Hello everyone. I come from Congo Democratic.
Le monde me tombe dessus. Ce qui est mal doit être détruit. Il faut l'empêcher de grandir, et jusqu'à présent, personne n'a été venir. Je n'ai pas de vie. Peut-être direz-vous que je suis un imbécile, mais que même les imbéciles trouvent une raison dans leur folie. Je vous prie de m'excuser, je vous en prie, mais votre pitié ne changera rien à ma condition. Vos sentiments ne changeront pas ce que je suis. Les dés sont déjà jetés.
I know, you're like listening and then you think, oh wow, this sounds so beautiful.
Tu dois connaître les mots incantatoires que je vais t'apprendre. Nous entendrons si ton cœur parle. Maintenant, place la pierre sur la plaie du jeune homme et nous travaillerons. Merci.